talking about our ISA Lake project and the Rajnandi Lake restoration and the restoration project in general. Okay. Now, during the second term of the 8th grade, we, the high school, decided to adopt Rajnandi Lake, and over the period of 2 years, we slowly transformed it into its natural beauty. So,
it's alright, continue.
okay, since then the results have shown birds have returned back to Rajnandi Lake. There have been beautiful plant life. Eutrophication in the lake has been nearly stopped, and we've extracted almost all the heavy metals from the lake water using vetiver plants. We also collaborated with MGIRD, Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Rural Energy Development, to take care of the lake, and thanks to them we've been able to do this really well. And this is some images of the lake before and after. Now, before it doesn't look so bad, but the lake was actually suffocating. It was all the animal life in it was dying. There were barely any birds there, and as you can see, there's very poor plant life.
Aren't those two completely different images?
Yes, maybe it's like same angle and stuff. Guys.
Now we're going to talk about the restoration in general. There's a polluted lake in the Bulgoda Lake in Sri Lanka. It is 374 square kilometers, and it was polluted with chemical runoffs from sawmill industries, and slowly, thanks to the GNF, the Global National Fund, they introduced mangrove plants, and it's slowly using phytoremediation absorb the heavy metals from the lake. Here's a picture of it before and then after. And now I'll talk about the polluted lake in the US. The Onondaga Lake. It's the most polluted lake in the US. Unfortunately, until now, there's been no attempts by any NGOs or government organizations to clean up the lake. The lake has been subject to chemical runoffs, toxins, pesticides, eutrophication. There was even a factory port that would run off sodium, calcium, and chlorine into it. Then there's also been mercury dumps into it and phosphorus from untreated sewage. Here are some pictures of it. The raw sewage running off into the water, mud boils, and white cliffs, which are just deposits of salt. Yeah.